All right, I'm going to show you two quick things here. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to create a price change, and then we'll also go in and create a new product number, a new item. So let's start with our price change. The first thing we're going to do is just go to entries and then go down to price change. And we'll enter in that customer number 902 and choose that customer. And we'll choose the item and a quantity, and let's go ahead and change that price that's currently listed at $19.99.99. We'll go ahead and change that down to about $1,800 to give that customer a price break. We'll go ahead and enter that in, and we'll put some remarks down here that explain why we're doing that. And we'll also choose a price effective date of May 1st. Enter in those comments, and then we'll make some notes about the sales opportunity. So probably want to follow up with this customer and link it to an opportunity that we've created with them. So maybe we're going to link this to a bike show that we believe this is going to be an opportunity for them. So we'll go ahead and click create here. Now I'm going to switch screens, and you'll see that I'm now logged in as a manager. And I'm going to go to my workflow, and I'm going to see that price change request that just came in from my employee. Now you see that it's my name here in this example is Bruce Huntington. You see that it's in my approved stack. I'm clicking through it here. I see the request. Maybe I want to add my timestamp to it to show that I reviewed it, and go ahead and type in something like I approved this. I'll review it, and then I'll click the approve button. Now what that's going to do is that's going to take it to the next step in the process, and you see that process outlined here in the boxes at the top of the screen. The next thing I want to show you guys how to do is how to create a new item. Maybe you've got something that's in experimental state. Now we're going to take this to a new item. So we're just going to go to experimental to production item, and we'll go to this field called new item number. I'm just going to give it a name, an item number name. We'll go ahead and we'll call that bike GTF. And I'll give it a description. I'll just paste that into the description box here from some text I have on my clipboard. Then I'm also going to paste in the extended item description. I've also got that on my clipboard here just to make this a little faster. Next, going over to the item master and location tab, you'll see that I've got the primary vendor set and the effective date set. Everything there is the way that I want it, so I'll just go back and hit create, and it's done. We've submitted that, and now we can go log in as our manager. So Bruce's manager, in this case named Jack McBean, you see up there, he's just going to go to his workflow. He's going to see this request, this new item request. He'll click on that. He'll see what Bruce has submitted. He'll look at the various tabs, make sure he approves of everything. He can add a timestamp here and say something like looks good. And if he likes what he sees, he can click the approve button, and that'll take it to the next step in the process, which in this case shows up as validate.